Hi everyone, this is Karen Salinas here. I'm a professional photographer, and today I'm excited to share my amazing experience with Posh Wood in my photography studio. Like many photographers, I've been on the hunt for the perfect solution to cover up some of the plain white walls in my studio. That's when I stumbled upon Posh Wood. And let me tell you, it was a game changer. First things first, the Posh visualizer was a lifesaver. I could easily experiment with different colors and styles to find the perfect match for my studio setup. It made the decision process fun and effortless. Now, let's talk installation. Oh my goodness, it was a breeze. Now, I'm no DIY expert, but with Posh Wood's user-friendly design, I had those panels up in no time. Honestly, it was like a satisfying puzzle, and the results were stunning. The best part? It completely transformed my studio's vibe. The new wooden backdrop added a touch of warmth and sophistication to my photography sessions. My clients love it, and it's become a favorite spot for capturing those beautiful moments. Posh Wood has truly elevated my studio space, and I couldn't be happier with the outcome. So if you're looking to revamp your space without the hassle, I highly recommend Posh Wood. You won't be disappointed, I promise.